Whoa.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Will Buy You video, where I go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100, and show you guys what I got for it. Today I'm going to show you what I got at one of my very favorite stores. Let's see if I can do this. Ta-da! TJMaxx. This time I'm going to just zoom out and go back there and try stuff on. And let's see what we like and what we don't. Let's just dump these out. Let's start with what you guys now know will most likely be in every single What $100 Buys You haul, and that is jeans. These are called, I think it's Amuse Society or Society, who cares? Made in China, what's not? I liked these because they were high-waisted and had a little bit of a different style on the front. The back is just like any other. And frayed bottoms, which I don't have any of those, so I thought I would give these a whirl. And they're also much lighter than any of the other jeans that I own presently. And I'd like to find a shirt to try on with these rather than alone. All right, I don't know if I have anything that goes with jeans, but I bought this white crispy shirt. It has these bell sleeves, which I think in my mind I like, but I'm not sure. What really got me is the back has buttons on it. And I thought that was super cute. Maybe I'll wear it backwards. Maybe I won't. Now my thought with this shirt was to put, bear with me, it's a thought. Free People is one of my absolute favorite brands that TJMaxx carries. And although I wasn't sure what to think of this little number, I loved the color and thought that perhaps, you know how they're wearing these nowadays, a little sweater vest. Are you home?
No.
Come in here.
Hi.
Guest appearance.
Here I am.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
See you.
See ya.
Love you. Close the door.
Yeah, okay.
Don't listen.
Bye-bye now.
Oh. Anyway, you know how they are putting sweaters over, I think it's usually collared shirts, but this will do, maybe. So here's the jeans, or part of them. They seem to fit well. When I put them on, though, I noticed that the legs are really tight, which is just something that I'm not used to, but so far so good. Okay, here's the white shirt with the bell sleeves. I don't know that I would wear this shirt on its own whenever I wear a white crisp shirt, especially when I wear it with black pants, but it always reminds me of my waitressing days. But there's the back with the buttons, and here goes nothing. Now this is going to take some maneuvering. I don't quite understand what's happening here. I think I have done it wrong. I certainly don't look like those people in the pictures. So let's move on. I got a dress. It's Max Studio. And it's a little striped number. I love stripes. And these go every which way. Let's try that on now. It's shorter than I would like. So the ruching here is definitely cute. It's form-fitting, probably a little bit too much in my opinion. I like that it has a little bit of a sleeve, and the drape in the chest area is also nice. I don't know whether to call it a casual dress or perhaps a cocktail dress, but the dress I am keeping. I like it. I'll wear it. Next, I got some sweatpants, and these are velour and they're Betsy Johnson. I liked the gold accents. I am getting more into gold than I am silver these days. Let's take this dress off. Plain white t-shirt. See, this is what I am comfortable in wearing every day. Sweats and a t-shirt. Let's go get a picture. Abby joined me for the photo shoot. Next, I bought this skirt because I liked the nifty little slit here. Not like a normal slit, but what I did not look at was the fact that the slip underneath only goes up to here. See, can you see that? Right there. But I will try that on with this shirt. Yes, it's a summery outfit, but it's coming. It's coming. So I'm gonna go do that right now. So as you can see, the skirt fits well, but that bothers me right there. Let me show you. Right there. You can see the slip. And I know that at one point that was in, but I don't think that time is now. I feel like I go with my background a little bit. And I really only like to get shirts that are spaghetti straps that are wide enough so I can wear a bra underneath. That's kind of a must for me. So here's that outfit, if you can call it that. I do like the skirt. It's fun. Okay, and lastly, I bought two black items that do not go together, but it is a top and a bottom. Want to see it? This is a jacket. It's got my dog's hair all over it already. I thought it was kind of fun. It's drapey on the bottom. It's a thin coat, and I think that with a pair of jeans, it would be super cute. So let me put those pants on. These are fun. They feel kind of big. Hot for Doma. There we go. Let's take this off. Okay, so you saw this. I like it. So the pants, whoa. They have sort of a, well, they have totally a pattern on it. And I believe they're a little bit Asian inspired. So let's go back here. Whoa, and here's the nifty part. Whoa, about them. See? And imagine if my legs were tanned. But I feel like these are cute, even if they're just hang around the house pants. But that's just nifty. Okay, TJMaxx. Let's talk about what we liked and didn't like and what I'm keeping and what's going back. The jeans, the crisp white shirt, and the magenta colored sweater tank over it. I'm keeping the jeans. I like those. I don't have any light jeans, so those are gonna go in my closet. And as much as I like that Free People top, I just don't know if I'm ever gonna wear it. And that was the problem with my closet in the first place. I had so many things in there that I really did like, but never wore. And the verdict's still out on that white shirt. I think it's those bell sleeves. The blue and black striped dress. I believe it fit well, and I believe I'm keeping it. The Betsy Johnson velour pants and just the plain white t-shirt, I'm keeping both of those because like I said before, that's what I'd like to wear every day. Oh wait, pink top, white skirt, keeping both of those. Simple little summer outfit, and I believe each piece was pretty inexpensive, so those are a go. The black jacket with the sort of drape and buttons made me feel a little bit like Sgt. Pepper, but I do believe I'll wear that. And the black Asian inspired silky pants. My husband hates them. Hates them. So I'm keeping them. Okay, now we're gonna get to the fun stuff. We have another surprise giveaway because how could I not at TJMaxx? So here's what's in the giveaway. It's going to be one person winning all this stuff. And here it is. First we have this. Split personalities. I chose this because I kind of have that. 1, 2. There's what comes in that. It has 2 lipsticks, 2 lip stains, 2 eyeshadow palettes, a blush and highlighter, a blush and bronzer, mascara, eyeliner, and what appears to be, well, what they think is what we're gonna apply this stuff with. I'm sorry, what's that? And what's that? Can't apply anything with those. With this, we have the Masters Detailing Makeup Brush Collection. It's got what looks like bejeweled handles, and look at the ends of those. I thought it would be handy if like you carry these around and they can double as a self-defense weapon. 4 of them. Anyway, the 4 brushes say contour, eyeshadow, eyebrow, conceal. And I will tell you that whatever sticker was here is no longer here, and it's just left a sticky residue, but it's sealed there and it is sealed there. So whoever wins this stuff, that's all. You just needed to know that. Next, is this lip trio. And I'm not gonna open it, but it says three's a charm. I believe they're right. That's what's in there. That's what the front looks like. So it's a lip liner and a cream lip gloss with a metallic lip gloss, and they tell you exactly how to put that stuff on. There's that. Ooh, and then cream contour and highlight palette. I like this for one reason in particular, and that is this color. It's sort of a bronzy, metallic looking, it's gotta be a highlighter. Metal case, there's that. Now we have these ultimate eyeshadow crayons. And here's the colors there on the bottom. Matte sculpting shadow. I don't know how you sculpt shadow, but you can give it a whirl with these. And then of course more lip stuff. And these are 2 matte liquid lipstick and lip liners. And there's what that looks like. Oh, that's all. I thought there was more, but there isn't. So here's all the stuff that one winner will get. We'll go over it again. Lip trio, sculpting eyeshadow crayons, cream contour and highlight palette, matte lipsticks and lip liner, detailing makeup brush collection, and this whole thing of Max Factor goodies. There it is. As in the other surprise giveaways, you must be subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, and comment down below anything you want. The giveaway ends 1 week after this video posts, and it's up to you guys to remember to take a look there to see if you won. I don't want to have to chase you down to give you stuff. Anyway, all the information you need is in the description box. That's it for this video on what $100 will buy you at TJMaxx. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.